All right, so I have cloned this repo from Contain Studio, and it has these different agent files. So let's check them out. Let's look at the AI engineer. Just show you what some of these look like. So these are just Claude Code agents that have been created through the agent command line like this. You can manage your agent configurations, add them in. It's pretty cool. So, I actually do have a need. I can put in some images and see if it can make some TikToks. Yeah, that's a good idea. And I've got just the images that I need. Okay, so I've got a bunch of images in here. And I will say, use the TikTok strategist agent, please, to create a series of simple videos from my DXP folder images where the image fades in and that's it. Do it with one image just to show me what it looks like. Let's see if it calls the agent. So it's going to find an image. Maybe it'll find this one. This guy playing the guitar. Where's my little command thing? I'll fix that in a minute. So it's checking to see if I have FFmpeg. Does it know where the TikTok agent is? I'll tell him where it is. Nice. Great. Now, please make a front end where I can do this and other things to images that TikTok strategists would appreciate. A full suite of TikTok video creation tools with just these images and others like them as the starting set. Use PHP index.php, vanilla JS, jQuery, and don't worry about a DB for now. I will just import and export as needed. When we do want one, we'll do an easy SQLite. And I've built with Ruby on Rails before. That's really fun to do. But I find that with projects like this where I want a front end that works, the Ruby code spends so much time building out the back end and connecting literally everything at the start of the project that it doesn't really seem feasible for me in the era of Claude Code, because I definitely won't need every bit of it, and it just becomes a lot of context to sift through. And I would honestly rather roll my own stuff that I need as I go and literally just use SQLite. So as it's building these, let's go ahead and look through some of these, like a DevOps automator. I probably won't use that. Mobile app builder, that's cool. I just want the iOS version. Ooh, that's cool. More interested in this. Oh, it selects trending sounds. That's interesting. A Reddit bot. This is going to send us straight to jail. Reddit engagement model. Research. Understand the community deeply. Oh, wow. Can it post on Reddit? So I have an idea for an app that I will actually show you. It's tough to share because it's on my phone and I use Revenue Cat and doesn't work nicely with the simulator. Maybe it does work nicely with the simulator. Let me just check on this screen here. Maybe it actually does work okay on the simulator. If I can get it to run, I will show you. But essentially, this is an app that uses replicate image models for brides making flower arrangements at a wedding. I'm getting married, so I'm kind of intimately in this space at the moment. Is that inside the agents folder? It is. Oh, gosh. Okay, yeah, so it's there. Let me show you this app. If it works. What? Oh, I think this is the sign in with Apple button. Dang it. Should I temporarily get rid of sign in with Apple? Just to show you what it looks like. I promise it doesn't look that bad. I haven't seen the sign in with Apple screen in a while. I'll bring that one up too and mess with it. How's it sound? So this is my Wedding Vision app, and I'm pretty proud of it. I kind of don't want to mess up the app just to show you, so I'll put it back over here. Okay, let's see how our app did. So we'll go php-s localhost. I don't think I have anything else running here. 3000. And we will command click this open. If I can do it. And there you go. Let me make it a little smaller so you can see it better. Let's see if this thing actually works. I love the way that PHP and jQuery really looks. Do I need to drag and drop it? Oh, wow. Wow, it works. That's cool. Okay, so Ken Burns zoom, nice. So I will go ahead and say, wow, this exported a video that worked. Great work. Although in the front end, I can't see which images I am choosing. And then I'll pass it the logs.